Okay, brothers, what I have in my hands now is the newly released Huawei Pura 80 Ultra. Let's take a look. The packaging is still very exquisite. As for this one of mine, can you guys guess what color it is? Now, I'll open it for everyone to see. It's still this little drawer design. You pull it up. A white inner box. Wow! Can you feel the dominance of this camera module? You can feel it, right? Okay, let's look at the accessories first. A custom phone case with a weather vane design, very classic and very good looking. And the material is a bit similar to vegan leather. The texture's very good. Okay, next to it, there's also a rock sugar charger, 100 watts? It's so small, look, this small. 100 watts, compared to the data cable, it's very small. It's a Type-C port. Okay, let's look at the phone. Come on, ready to peel the film. Oh, no need to peel the film, you can just pull it out. So black. Isn't it beautiful? Okay, let's turn it on first. Okay, now let's experience the telephoto performance of this Huawei Pura 80's dual lens system. First, you can see on the main interface, it has 1x, 2x, 3.7x, and 10x. It has a mid telephoto and a 10x super telephoto, and they are all optical zoom. So let's first look at 3.7x. Tap it again. Okay, 3.7x, and then 10x. Can you feel the process of it switching lenses? Not only does it have a very cool sound, but there's a very smooth animation on the screen. Did you feel that? Whoa, so cool. Looking at it this way, for watching concerts in the future, bringing a Huawei Pura 80 Ultra will be enough, right?